Welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Cash App features. So let's quickly dive into it. Cash App stands out because it combines simple money transfer with powerful tools. You get instant peer-to-peer payment, a customizable cash card you can use anywhere, and Boost that gives you interest cashback at restaurants, stores, and online shop. Direct deposit is another major pick, letting you receive cashback or recurring payment straight into the app. Plus, you can buy Bitcoin and fractional stock right from your balance, making Cash App a full money hub instead of just a payment app. Security is tight with PIN or Face ID locks, real-time notification, and the ability to instantly freeze your cash card. Everything updates fast, the interface is clean, and it works smoothly whether you are sending money or investing. It is absolutely a game changer for you. So that's it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and comment which features you want me to explain next. And that's it.